Whenua Haumanu is the flagship project that MPI is supporting on regenerative agriculture in New Zealand. The government's current program is Fit for a Better World, and one of the key strands in the Fit for a Better World program was to look at regenerative agriculture and its role in New Zealand. As most people know, that regenerative agriculture has its core base from the US, and we wanted to make sure that the evidence that we gather is relevant to New Zealand's circumstances, to our management systems, to our climate, to our soils.
The key reasons we want to establish the program is it's looking for answers to farmers' questions, both from the conventional point of view of farmers saying that are what we're doing already regenerative, and is what we're doing already having a positive impact on the environment or not? And then from farmers with an interest in regenerative farming to say what are the impacts of that. It's the most comprehensive study that's ever been done around pastoral farming, conventional pastoral farming, as well as a thorough investigation of regenerative practices and techniques. So that's what we're setting out. We're measuring and monitoring pretty much everything we can within the system, right from below the ground through to above the ground into the animals and the animal products. And then a good analysis of the finances, life cycle analysis of right through to the product level, to be able to capture all those touch points around nutrient leaching, carbon storage and carbon footprint, profitability and animal welfare, and all those other aspects that are really important to not only consumers but the farmers themselves.
We're interested particularly in the animal agriculture sector, and that's where this program is going to be the flagship program, where how it works with all the different key research institutions, how it's going to do very intensive measurements, comparing the systems that we need, how it's working with all different parties, and also training new students for the future of New Zealand agriculture. We see this as being an important program to do all of those factors, hopefully meeting consumer demands and moving from a high volume to a high value product in terms of what we produce.